Seven Daughters sponsor me. Okay, trying to get a sponsorship. I would love to create my own wine. We speaking that into existence. Some winery is gonna let me create or be the face of a wine or a drink. Like something. We speaking that into existence. That's what I want this year. Something like that. Because I mean, I like alcohol. I like wine, so why not? So, hey guys, it's Dominique and thank you for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. So, February. Last video, I decided to make February recommendation month. One person on, I can't think off the top of my head which video it was. It was one of the SIP videos. Told me to try Seven Daughters Moscato. And I have been seeing this for a while because clearly the color is going to make you take a double look at it. So, we're going to go ahead and try this one tonight. Since this was a subscriber recommendation, I'm going to go ahead and do this one first. I already got the wines for the month. I also will be moving the SIP from Saturdays to Wednesdays for now. Just trying to test some new things out for the new year. If I don't like it, it'll go back to Saturdays. But for right now, the SIP is on Wednesday nights. Let's see what Miss Seven Daughters is talking about. Seven Daughters Venetia. 2018 Moscato, Italy. Slightly sweet floral aroma of peach and honey, refreshing and well balanced with a refined fruitness and touch of natural sweetness. Okay. Product of Italy, 7.5% alcohol by volume. Discover more at SevenDaughters.com. Imported by Terlato Wines International, Lake Bluff, Illinois. Let's see. Surgeon General, pregnant women shouldn't drink. Y'all should know this by now. Seven Daughters makes wines for the way you live, and our fresh fruity Moscato is no exception. Bright and never boring, it's even more perfect, slightly chilled and shared with friends. So open up a bottle and add a splash of color to your life. Okay, cool. Nice packaging. Nice clean packaging. This is 750 milliliters. I never really say how much or how large the bottle is, but this is 750 milliliters. If I'm looking to the side, it's a habit. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus as much as I can. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Like, this is very basic, not basic in a bad way, but simplistic design. Literally splash of color, rainbow, pink top. It's a twist off. We like those for convenience. Okay. Top of, I don't know. I'm looking at this. I feel like I got little floaties in mine. Them some big ass sulfates. I don't know. Oh God. It's Monday. You know how Mondays are. They took all my strength. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Everything's fizzling. Okay, anyway. This smells like the typical Moscato. It almost smell like pretty. All right, well, bottoms up. First sip comes straight from the bottle. Like I said, I've been seeing this. I think I've seen this at the grocery stores, at the liquor stores, Total Wines and more. And I just never got it. It kind of got like a peach undertone. Definitely fruity, not extremely sweet. Like it says, it's a light, what's the exact word, slightly sweet. When I think about Moscatos, I think about like super sweet Moscato, then Moscatos like this that are slightly sweet, and then you got the dry Moscatos. That's how I kind of break it down in my head. This is almost a dry Moscato in my opinion. Like, this is good, I would get it again, but if you're looking for something sweet, like a sweet red wine or a sweet red Moscato, like whatever one we tried maybe like a year or two ago, this one, that one was really sweet. It was really like almost dessert type of wine like that. Then this is not going to be it for you. If you like something that's kind of like subtle when it comes to sweetness, but still isn't like a dry wine. Like if you've tried dry white wine, then you know it's kind of like the flavor, that's it, no sweetness, no nothing, like no Splenda, no Serbia, whatever, none of that, monk fruit, none of it. Then you'll like this one. If you like dry wines, you'll like this. If you like super sweet wines, you might not like this. So I'm on the Seven Daughters website, and they have their wines in a can, which y'all already know how I feel about canned wine. I think it's genius. Like, I could be walking around the park, it just look like Red Bull, you know, like I just think it's genius. They have 1, 2, 3, looks like 3 or 4 of their wines can, 3 or 4 of their wines come in a canned format, like a rosé, a Pinot Grigio, Pinot Noir, and a Moscato. So this Moscato comes in a can. I didn't see it at the store, but I mean, if you're looking for something you can kind of conceal, I'm not saying do no illegal stuff, I'm just saying like it happens sometimes. It's giving me a quick little buzz. Like, shout out to Macbeth and her demon, that's her name, Macbeth and her demon, that's her username. She commented on the Drink With Me 2020 Habits and Goals video, and she said, Seven Daughters, you should try Seven Daughters Moscato, it's so good. Thank you, Macbeth and her demon, you are so right. I am slightly buzzed, like for real. When you keep seeing something like, should I try it? Maybe later. Just go ahead and try it, because this is really good. Like I said, if you like super sweet Moscatos, this is not it. If you like dry Moscatos, dry wine, you might like this. Like I said, it's not too sweet. It's Seven Daughters, to me, it kind of comes off like either you like it or you don't. If you like super sweet wine, super sweet Moscatos, this is not it. It's not a super sweet Moscato. If you like drier wines, drier tasting Moscatos, then you would like this. And I've heard nothing but good things about Seven Daughters Moscato, so I am interested in trying the other wines that they have. But sorry, I'm a little stuck because it kind of got me stuck a little. Flavorful, it's slightly sweet, easy to find.